Okay, we have a brand new Galaxy S9 Plus from Samsung. Smell nice. Let's open it. Ooh. Come on closer, come on closer. Just relax and hear the box opening. Okay, so there's a seal there. When you cut it, I don't know, this knife is probably not it. I need a better knife. Okay, so what's this? This is the manual and all the warranty stuff. Let's put it aside. There's the phone right there. Black ash color. Let's put it aside. Let's see what's in the box. Accessories. We need to see the accessories now. There's the accessories. There's the one dongle here. USB Type-C dongle. Another dongle for transfer your data from the old phone to the new phone. Power brick, which is pretty standard. There's the model number. Sorry for the focus. There's the power cable, USB Type-C power cable. There's the headphones, AKG headphones, very good quality headphones. I like them. Very nice headphones. Earphones, sorry, earphones. The earphones. And some replace earphones, those small in-ear canal. You know what it is. That was incredibly satisfying. Oh my god. That was very, very satisfying. Okay, so what do we have here? We have a Spigen Galaxy S9 cover. That just, oh, sorry for the noise. And looking stealthy. Very stealthy. Let's fire it up. I hope it has some juice inside. Galaxy S9 Plus. Fire it up for the first time. I think this will take a while, so I think I need to pause the video. Okay, so now I need to agree to all the Google things, skip the Wi-Fi, and so on. All done. Ooh, brand new phone, just like that. Bixby, of course. Okay, I'm not really a fan of Bixby, but it is what it is. Again, sorry. Let's see the camera. I think I need to agree to do some kind of camera. Okay. Ooh, camera looking sharp, very sharp. That's the main reason I bought this phone, because of the camera, yeah, and speakers, of course. Video also looking very sharp. Let's see the ringtones. Where's the ringtones? There they are. I have my two favorite. This one is my favorite notification sound, and the ringtones is where they are. Oh, right there. Oh, sorry. No. All here. Okay. This one and this one. Those are my two favorites. Just listen them. It's a very relaxing sound. Okay, now let's go to YouTube. And I'm sorry, I'm really confused because it's a new phone, and it's I think it's not going sideways. You have to go up and down. Yeah. So let's go to the YouTube, and now we need to find the no copyright sound. Of course, no copyright sound. No copyright. Small commercial. Yeah, like you can hear, sound from this phone is very nice. Of course, it's not the HTC or Razer phone, but come on.
Way better than the iPhone. And the smell way better than the iPhone. Looking great. Oh, and it even sound better than the iPhone. I will make a lot of 4K videos in 60 frames per second. So see you in the next video on the other side of the screen. Thanks for watching and goodbye.